fundamentally I am working on your biomemory, your means core of your cognitions, where understandings about you and life is stored. I am just working on that cognitions and adding the higher cognitions for them to manifest. If your body is detoxified, just like that it can manifest. The manifestation will be just fantastic. That is why I am insisting so much on detoxification. Being healthy, I can make you manifest more powers. Being healthy helps you to manifest more powers. But somehow you have so much of attachment to being sick. No, the food you choose, the lifestyle you choose, habits you choose, you just search for the habits, food style, lifestyle which will destroy your health, and you start developing liking for them. First day nobody enjoys smoking. Then why do you make it as a habit? Even though I have not tasted, I have spoken to enough people, no type of liquor is tasty. Whether it is a village, local arak, or the international rum. Very difficult to gulp. Why do you guys then develop the habit? So much of attachment to disease and thinking that it's a luxury you can afford. You think not bothering about health and doing stupid things as your freedom. Please understand, health is mandatory for power manifestation. That is why I insist so much on detoxification. And one more thing, without any practice, just if you detoxify your body for a few days, suddenly you will start doing this rope yoga, pole yoga and all so powerfully. Because when the detoxification happens, all the joints become so alive, flexible. The yoga and all that will not feel difficult at all. It will feel like how the child bends the body. If you see a child will do all yoga, all asanas it will do, naturally. Because detoxified body means no toxic body. Same way, tamarind. Both my gurus have made this habit. Every day they will make only tamarind rice and curd rice for me. I used to ask them why. They say, when you go for Parivraj Yatra, you may not get anything. But throughout India, the roadside, the tamarind trees will be there. So you just shake them and take the tamarind fruit and put it in the rice and cook. You can eat. They gave that reason, but now I know tamarind does so much good to the system. Slowly, slowly drop this health-destroying habits. Habits in your life. See, health is neither gained nor destroyed overnight. It is the habit which you develop for decades, either makes it or breaks your health. Let's start developing the habits which makes the health. Visualize after 10 years how you want to be. So based on that, develop your lifestyle.